Tell me when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Oh, so today, guys, we're feeding my birds.
Idiot.
Hold that. It's pretty cold out here today.
A little. How could he feeding?
We don't use that word.
Sorry. That's cold.
This is a 10-pound bag of food. You should probably show them the block I got. Show them the window. Ah, 10-pound bag. Oopsies. I forgot to shut the tunnel. Two more.
Oh yeah, they're trying to get such.
Huh?
Snacks on.
Is that Deemer?
Yeah. And there you have it.
And I don't end it yet.
I know. That, it's right there.
Oh, why'd you put it up there?
Uh-oh.
Huh.
Battery.
What's 10%?
10.
That's for that. I'll just charge it after. Ah! And then, up here.
Man, I think you need to get a new block zone.
You think? Just move it over into this area.
Isn't there some on this side?
Yeah, you just kind of like here.
You do it.
I only need a new block.
Hmm?
It's not even a block.
Yes, it is.
There, it was.
Man, it's,
You think they'll like this one?
yeah. Is this new feet?
Yeah. I haven't used this feed ever.
Huh?
I never used this feed actually.
And I've never been by your feeder.
Oh, you have.
I haven't.
Well, thanks for watching. Stay tuned.